Okay, so first thing I'm gonna aim for when I get up there is compensation of my weight. I wanna get weight off that equals my weight of being up there. Gotta be real careful with this tree because it's got a big fat cat face in it. It's a little windy today. Spur up there, take this cinder off and just spur up. Hold the tree and spur up. Yeah, because I can get my hand right in there. Yep. Alright. Make sure I spur him really good. Up. Yep, hold on to my rope. You can hear how hollow that tree is. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need to get this cable thing situated right here. So I think I'm gonna take my climb line and flipped in and put it on the other side here. Yeah, that'd be fine once I get above that cable. Okay, so I just undid my Gregory. I fed it through. That's what's nice about that. About single lining, you can do that. Then I'll put my cinder back on. So I can go up. Get the slack out. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Yeah, this whole thing, listen. Up, 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 up. Dude, some homeowner did that, man. Seriously, it's just like, you know, those things you screw into the freaking whatever for hanging a house plant. Crazy. Oh yeah, that's gnarly. There's a gnarly hole up here, another hole. All right, so I'm just holding on to the tree climbing because I'm comfortable, pulling the slack up as I go. Trying to tweak my camera. So I want to get on that side. Oh, that's so gnarly looking, Nathan. That is a gaping hole, dude. Gaping. I'm afraid to step on that cable. It might not even hold me. Making sure I'm hooking in real good. So I'm locked in. Up with the slack. Don't want to exert a lot of energy. Take a little break here so I can think where my next zone is on this tree. Alright. Okay. Wowee. That's gnarly. This kind of stuff exists in all these trees that are super big that people aren't aware of. It's like, yeah, look at that big tear. That is so detrimental. I mean, there's no way that'll never heal. Look, that's all rotten. That's probably at least 2,000-3,000 pounds just on that right there. That's crazy. So my plan is to get up there, take those guys off, alleviate weight off of there. Gotta be real careful, real careful. Alright, so. Gotta hit your target. Hooked good. That felt like a good hook. Hook good. Yep. Hook good. Oh yeah, she's a nasty one. My next zone is that one limb that comes out there. I'm gonna get up there and cut that off. And then I'll rope this thing down to Nathan. Okay, I am not gonna flip into this tree right away. If I can get situated where I'm comfortable and I can make some cuts. Some owl poop up here. Oh yeah, I'm going for that one right there. All right, rope's clear. I'm gonna take off a limb here, Nathan. I'm not flipping into this tree yet. I'm gonna wait. Okay, Nathan, stand by. I'm going to take another one, okay? Oh yeah, I'm just going to relieve all that weight. Get rid of all of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some stuff for some friction. All right, so I can lower some stuff down to him. Okay, Nathan, I'm gonna lower one down to you, okay? And you can probably just feed it over there where you're stacking that brush. Okay, I'm gonna make a cut. Step back. Okay, Nathan, I'm going to take one more off, okay? Okay, I think what we're going to do is I just want to go up here and just start dropping a bunch of stuff. So I'll help you clean up, okay? I've already alleviated a bunch of weight, which is good, but you still don't want to get carried away because you could cause some kind of stress fracture in that bad part down the tree. So this is where we just whittle away, nice and easy, nice and easy. Whatever you can cut. Even me shaking like this, it's not good. Be real careful. Every bit counts. See that wind? Gotta wait for the wind to stop. The wind was actually pushing that limb back on my saw. Good. Good. Okay, Nathan, I'm gonna take a piece off, okay? So I took that off there just in case that goes. I can pop this off and swing and get out of here. It's nice the wind's blowing this way because it's actually pushing the tree upward. Doing good. I'm not flipping in. I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna go home today. Piece is coming down. Whoa. What the freaking... Hold on, Nathan. Hold on. It freaking lassoed around that stub. I gotta get it off that stub. Hold on. I am not surprised one freaking bit. Okay, go ahead, you're good. Interesting. Okay, Nathan, I'm gonna lower one down to you, okay? It's gonna break right off. Okay, just get it unsnapped and I'll pull it up to me, okay? I'm gonna take a top out here, okay? So just stow this rope. I can hold on right here. Make a face cut with my flip line and take it off. And then back cut it and drop the top. Okay. You all clear? Nathan? I need a rope. That wind might break that thing right backside off. Just give me a second. Yeah. It might go too, so just be aware of that, all right? Okay, Nathan, get on the green rope. And I want you pulling off of here, okay? Okay, stand by. Put a little tension on it. Okay, go ahead and pull on it. Beautiful. Thank you, Nathan. Okay, I'm gonna lower another one down.